Yo, welcome to the Food Zone where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have a really quick taco recipe, another one on almond flour soft tacos, tortillas. It's really a great tasting tortilla, and this is something that you could put together in less than 3 minutes, as long as you have the chicken pre-cooked or you buy chicken that's already cooked. But the thing I do is I buy chicken in bulk, and I'll keep some in the refrigerator, and then some like half of it, I'll actually cook it up and keep it in a container to use with recipes, or I'll cook it up and freeze it and keep taking it out when I need to make a recipe. But this one is really a quick recipe. It could be used in RV life, van life, camping, everyday life since we're busy with work. And it tastes really good. And the almond flour tortilla is by Siete. It's hard to say that, but they have a lot of good quality products. So in today's recipe, we have this chicken I already cooked up. It's in Meyer lemon. The thing you want to do is at your local produce store, find a Meyer lemon and cook this with olive oil and Meyer lemon. It'll give it a really soft and tasty texture. You can see the oil in there, and that's good. I have tomato, I got lettuce. I know cucumber is not a common thing in a taco, but the way we're going to do this will add some different flavor and texture to this, but it's all up to you. You can leave it out. And here's some white cheddar that's been aged for 10 years. It's like finely grated. We're just going to sprinkle the top. We have Verde, green Verde with parsley on top. That makes for a good topping additive. And here's that company I told you about. This is not sponsored, but I buy their products all the time. And this is an almond flour tortilla. And it's hard to see the color now, but these things only take 10 to 15 seconds to warm. And this is a great company, but you can see that the color in here in the tortilla without it even being warmed or browned. So let's get started. This is your Friday upload. Alright YouTube, so you can see this almond tortilla. You see that the color's in there already. It's really hard to do show everything because of the light, and like I said, I usually film at 4 p.m. but I'm getting that ring light soon. But here's that tortilla, and like I said, we got the chicken, tomato, lettuce, cucumber, aged sharp, and we got that cilantro. We have that Verde with parsley. So the thing we're gonna do first is we're gonna throw the amount of chicken we want on there. So just put the amount of chicken that you want. And that's all up to you. Use the hands that God gave us. That's the common thing in my YouTube. Like I said, if we work in a restaurant, we would wash your hands first. Use gloves, but this is our house. Alright, YouTube, so we have that chicken down there. Now we're going to take some tomato, and we're going to throw some tomato in there. And like I always said, it's your preference. Load up the tomato you want. Next thing is, if you want, take some cucumber and throw that in there. Basically, this is like a summer fresh taco, like with tomato, lettuce, and cucumber. If you didn't want to use the Verde, you could actually could use like whatever salad dressing you want. Like me, I'm a fan of Thousand Island. It would be perfect with Thousand Island, but it's all up to you. Alright, so like I said, this is only a couple minute recipe. So I got the stuff on there, and I have this left over because I was only making one tortilla for myself. So I combined all this, and I'll put it in a separate container, and it'll be like a taco salad. So the thing you're going to want to do now is take your Verde, or like I said, if you want to use salad dressing, top it with that. So pour that Verde on there. And you see that nice texture? It's going to be really hard to get the picture and display of this, because these still are light, these almond tortillas, and in the color of the plate and the light. But you could see that this will taste really fresh. All fresh ingredients, vine ripe tomatoes, fresh lettuce, and fresh garden cucumbers. If you wanted to, you could add bacon to this. That would be even better. So the thing you're going to want to do is now take the sharp cheddar or the cheese of your choice and just garnish the top, and we're done. Alright YouTube, so we got the Verde on there with parsley, and you can see how I put it around there. I know this is very similar to the chicken Verde taco I did, but I had these ingredients in my house and I wanted to show how you can mix it up and have a similar one but a different one. So like I said, this one is really good. And it only probably takes like 2 minutes if you have the chicken. So the thing we're going to do is, and this is optional, just take this sharp cheddar and just garnish it. Or you know what you could do? You could use feta, but I'm not a fan of feta cheese, but whatever cheese is for you. So just top that and then we're done. Alright YouTube, there it is. There's your Meyer lemon almond tortilla with fresh garden ingredients. You could definitely not go wrong here. Because who doesn't like vine rape tomatoes, fresh cucumbers and lettuce? And then you top it with a 10 aged sharp cheese. And this is what I say, we don't have to be a chef, we don't have to be a cook. Just take fresh ideas, write them down, and come up with new creations. Even if you take an existing recipe and change a few things, you can create a new one. Who says it's right or wrong? But like I said, my channel is not to make stuff from scratch. It's to take natural and organic products and put them together, spin them together, and create tasty dishes. So thanks for coming to my channel. This is on Friday's upload. I'm going to try to upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday like I used to. I'm going to still continue with the taco tortilla theme. I'm hooked on there for some reason. But in the future, we'll go to other things or I'll mix it up. But thanks for being here. Like I said, I'm an amateur cook, but been in the food business for 15 years. And I'm just like you. We're creating new dishes, learning, and we're cooking home and we're stopped going out to buy food at restaurants. And no matter what, this is still healthy. So please subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next Monday. Peace. Dan Soy, love you. Bye-bye. You can eat this whatever way you want. You could have kept it on a plate or fold it up like a taco and eat it like that. Peace.